All right, one of the next projects. Chris, you want to tell them what's going on with it?
This has got the clutch is out of it. Either the pressure plate fingers are broke or the throwout bearing's out. You can push the clutch pedal all the way to the floor, but it doesn't release.
No clutch. Groovy. So, Massey 165, gonna do a clutch. All right. Okay, so very quick update. This is the little Massey that has the clutch that needed replacement. Sorry we didn't get a chance to film the split of it, but as you can see, it's already apart. And give me a moment, let me walk around to the other side. We're also going to take the 3-point hitch top off. We have something to correct in there. But you can see how the forks were wearing completely down. So then they sent us the wrong replacement. So hopefully we'll get that part in today and we'll get this straightened out. Maybe we'll get a little time lapse getting the 3-point hitch off. Later, guys. So everybody, we just finished up a little Massey that we had to put a new clutch, pressure plate, and throwout bearing in. And we also had to fix the 3-point hitch control lever. It had an issue. So we had to straighten all that out. It's got this little Massey running like a top. Sorry I didn't get to see a little bit more of that build, but we've just been thrashing lately to get things done. It's the busiest season for us, and so needless to say, we're really working to try to get things done. That's the end of the Massey. Catch y'all later. Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
Please subscribe and hit the like button.
And don't forget to share and hit that notification bell.